Meaning of daily help. Daily help. Daily help.
Daily help. Daily help. Daily help refers to activities or services provided to individuals on a daily basis to assist them in their daily tasks. This could include tasks such as cooking, cleaning, laundry, personal grooming, and transportation. The primary aim of daily help is to improve an individual's quality of life by allowing them to live independently while receiving the support they need. It can be provided by family members, friends, or professional caregivers. Overall, daily help is essential for those who require assistance with daily living activities due to age, illness, or disability.